Gentleman Ajay Gupta, who is an associate and a business partner of the Luthra brothers, will be produced in court today at 12 noon in just a short while from now. The police will take Ajay Gupta from the Anjana police station to the Mapusa Court. The police force will depart from the Anjana police station in just a short while from now. These are the latest details that we are picking up. This man, ladies and gentlemen, was detained 2 days ago and is said to be a business partner and a close associate of the Luthra brothers, although this man, when he was confronted by Republic TV, went on to say that he has no real connection with the business and he's just a sleeping partner. So, more details that we are picking up at the moment. He is said to be produced in court in just a short while from now as the authorities try to gather more details about his exact role, the kind of role that he played in the management of the Goa Nightclub, and how long has he been associated with the Luthra brothers, who are now in custody of the Royal Thai Police. Let's go across to Swarali, my colleague who joins us live from Goa with more details. Swarali, tell us the latest details that you're picking up about the custody of Ajay Gupta, and how far has the police been so far been able to establish a direct link between the Luthras and Ajay Gupta?
Yes, let me tell you, according to the recent information and update we are getting from the Goa police, is that Ajay Gupta is the third wheel of Luthra brothers, alleged perpetrators of this fire incident in Goa, will be presented in Mapusa Court at around 12 p.m. Now, he's the third wheel. When Republic tried to reach out to Ajay Gupta, he had said that he's a sleeping partner and he doesn't have any idea about the incident or the nightclub that is burst by Romeo Lane. That was the kind of reaction we had caught on camera. But on the other hand, it is very important because if is the owner, is the third partner of Luthra brothers, they have properties and businesses across 22 states of India, 4 countries outside the India, various locations in Goa. And was he not aware about what kind of illegalities were running in their operational burst by nightclub in Romeo Lane in Arpura village, when hundreds of people used to pour in to visit and enjoy the time in the nightclub? But what they get, the employees, the staff members of burst by nightclub had to succumb to death, tourists had to succumb to death, and he's saying he was not aware about whatever happened. The trade license was approved without the permissions of excise. The permission was there, but there were no checks and balances measures. Norms were not followed. Fire NOC was not there. Only a single entry and exit was there. People had to succumb to death. It was constructed in a CRZ zone, which means coastal regulation zone, which is not allowed. Now, it is very important what comes out from the investigation. The Anjana police will be investigating Ajay Gupta, the third partner of Luthra brothers, and he might provide major leads in this entire case, the insiders of how were they running business illegally, and even more information can come about other businesses, because they have their businesses and nightclubs or restaurants and bars at multiple locations. Because we have seen on the second location owned by Luthra brothers, Romeo by Lane, and which was demolished. The second location in Goa was demolished by the government of Goa because the land was encroached. 198 square kilometer land was encroached by the entire wooden structure made by wooden planks, which was brought down by the Goa administration. So now it is to be seen what leads do we does this investigation fetch from Ajay Gupta. Were there any other illegal businesses operating, and what exactly went in the burst by nightclub? Because there were several facts. Initially, show cause notice was given. Demolition orders were given by the Sarpanch of Arpura village, which they had brought a stay by the Directorate of Panchayat, and the allegations were also raised that the Sarpanch could have directly cancelled the trade license, because once made, trade license is not cancelled, it is just renewed. So why was it not cancelled, wherein the lapses were recorded at multiple levels? Why was it not cancelled? sell, and only a demolition notice was given, wherein they approached the Directorate of Panchayat and stay was brought because the case was ongoing. There was also an activist who had raised an issue regarding the illegal construction being in the CRZ zone. So lapses and irregularities of norms are observed in several departments at several levels. So it is very important what kind of investigation is done with Ajay Gupta and what all information is fetched from him with this regards.
Right. Swarale, I want you to stay on with me and give us more details about this man who is now in custody of the police.